Hi, everyone, and welcome to day 325 of the Feathered Quest. Today's bird of the day is the Black-throated Green Warbler. Spring Black-throated Green Warblers show up dressed to impress. By fall, the sharp black and yellow look fades, and suddenly every warbler starts looking suspiciously the same. Let's go find that daily feather. Well, thanks for coming along with me today, guys. Remember, you are loved, and our world is full of wonder. So, did we find our bird of the day?